Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will be learning on the topic that is triangles and symmetry in polygons. So let's begin. Triangle. A triangle is a geometric shape or a closed plane figure with three sides. The point where two sides meet is called the vertex, and all triangles have three vertices. There is an interior angle for each vertex. If we add up all the angles together, the result would always be 180 degrees. We classify triangles depending on their size or angles. If we classify triangles depending on their size, we would get three types: equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangles. A triangle with three equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. A triangle with two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. And a triangle whose sides are all different is called a scalene triangle. And if we classify triangles depending on their angles, we would get three types. That is, acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle. A triangle with three acute angles is called an acute triangle. A triangle with one right angle is called a right triangle. And a triangle with one obtuse angle is called an obtuse triangle. Symmetry. Let's draw an isosceles triangle. It's a triangle in which two of the sides are equal to each other. Now we divide this triangle into two parts such that both the parts match exactly when they are folded along a line. Now fold it along a line. We see that the two parts match exactly. So we say that this shape is symmetrical. This is called reflection symmetry. Why is it called? Let's see. If we take one part and keep it against a mirror, we will get the original shape. The reflection of one part completes the shape. Rotational symmetry. An object is said to have a rotational symmetry if, after a rotation, it looks exactly the same. You know that the hands of a clock rotate. The direction of rotation like this is called clockwise rotation. And the opposite of this is said to be anti-clockwise. Note that when an object rotates, its shape and size do not change. Here, the object rotates around a fixed point. This point is called the center of rotation. And the angle of turning during rotation is called the angle of rotations. A quarter turn means rotation of 90 degrees. Half turn means 180 degrees. While the rotation of full turn means a rotation of 360 degrees. We rotate the figure completely around the center point once and see how many times it looks exactly like the original one. Let's try counting the number of times the rotated figure looks like the original. First, an oval, next a square, and lastly, an equilateral triangle. We begin with the oval shape and start rotating it. Let's see how many times the rotated image looks like the original. Half turn, 180 degrees, and another half turn, 360 degrees. We saw that it looks like the original shape 2 times after the complete rotation. So, we say that its order of rotational symmetry is 2. Let's start rotating the square now about its center point. 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree. So the order of rotational symmetry for a square is 4. Now for the equilateral triangle, 120 degree, 240 degree, and at 360 degree. 3 times in one complete rotation. The order is 3. Remember, a shape has rotational symmetry if it looks exactly like the original shape, and the order of rotation is the number of times an object looks exactly the same in a complete turn of 360 degree. So that's the end of our lesson. Hope this helped you understand all about triangles and symmetry in polygons. Thank you.